Here's how to buy a domain from Cloudflare. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so let's get to it. So in order to get our domain, we go over to cloudflare.com, and then on it, we will either log in or sign up for an account. I would prefer signing up with Google. It's a much better and faster sign-up process. Now inside your account home, on the right-hand side, you're going to find onboard a domain if you want to add your own custom domain that you've got on a third-party website, or you can buy a domain. So let's click on it. Now you can search for a domain name. I'm going to type in Learn Digital Tools and then click on search here. All right, so we got learndigitaltools.com available. So we're going to press and confirm on the right-hand side. Now you can select your payment option. It could be 1 year or you can go all the way up to 10 years. Let's just select 1 year for this one. The best thing about Cloudflare is that they do not inflate the price, unlike other competitors, on renewal. Also, there's one drawback of registering your domain with Cloudflare is that you would not be able to change the name service of your domain when you register your domain with Cloudflare. Now you've got this registrant information. You can fill it up. Now on the bottom, you're going to find payment methods. You can pay with a card or with PayPal. I'm going to go with the card option. And now if you scroll down, you're going to find automatic renewal. You can enable it or you can disable it. This is just for if after an year, when the domain is expiring, do you want payment to be done automatically? If you want to do that, sure, just enable it and your domain will be renewed on this date for 1 more year. Or if you have selected 2 years here, so it's going to be renewed for 2 years. You can update this setting anytime. There's this card details. I've already done it with link, but you can also just press here on 3 dot, pay without link, and it's going to show up your card details form. So you just need to put your card number, expiry date, and security code, and also select your country. Once done, if you scroll down, you'll find this verify address. Let's press on it. And now scroll more down. You're going to find you're about to register your domain name. Please double check the details. So that's something that you can check right now, because after that, you will not be able to get any refunds. Cloudflare does not provide any refunds. So just make sure to check if your domain is correct. Once you're satisfied, just press on this complete purchase button. And there you go. We have bought our domain on Cloudflare. In my case, I've got this domain, learndigitaltools.com. And if you scroll down, you'll find your whois information. Your information is already redacted by Cloudflare for privacy, which other domain providers charge for. So it's free of cost in Cloudflare. But yeah, like I told you before, there's one drawback. You would not be able to change your name service in Cloudflare of your domain. If you want to do that, you would need to move your domain from Cloudflare to another domain provider. And that's it. That's how to buy a domain from Cloudflare. I hope this video helped. If you want more guides on Cloudflare, it's available on the right-hand side in a playlist. So see you there. Bye for now.